Good morning. Happy Saraswati Day, and I would like to give a big subject as you must all be blessed with Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. So this judgment deals with what was concession agreement and what is BOT, and another thing legitimate expectancy, doctrine of promissory estoppel. These things you may understand very clearly by this following this judgment. This is AR 2024 Supreme Court 3868. AR 2024 Supreme Court 3868. Messrs. Reva Tollway Private Limited. Messrs. Reva Tollway Private Limited versus State of Madhya Pradesh. This judgment would also help the politician advocates who are concentrating or who are associated with ministers or MPs or political leaders, because the judgment was a result of enhancement of levy lease amount by the state government, revising the earlier agreement of the other government, granting lease to collect toll. Concession agreement means this agreement is collecting toll fee. That is by BOT. That means build, operate and transfer. That means construction of road, bridges, etc. So after constructing road and bridges, and the person who got contract may be permitted to collect toll. That earlier that toll was subsequently enhanced by the changed government. That was challenged before the division bench of High Court. Division bench rejected the claim of the toll company. Therefore, they went to Supreme Court. Reva Tollway Private Limited went to Supreme Court against State of Madhya Pradesh. The Stamp Act was discussed because the stamp duty was imposed as a lease agreement. Therefore, that was held good, that because the concession agreement BOT is lease as per 105 of the Transfer of Property Act. So the increase of stamp and imposition of stamp is not against the Article 14 was the ratio. Then question arises, since the subsequent government in the interest of public, larger interest of public, amended the rules and imposed new circular imposing stamp duty and other things. That was deeply discussed. They have no legally enforceable legal right in light of previous law or policy and executive action, which was subsequently changed by the state legislature in view of larger interests. Therefore, legitimate expectation and doctrine of promissory estoppel were denied to the writ petitioner who approached Supreme Court also. Thereafter, then they say, finally they say some increased by totality consideration of the agreement, the amount spent, that was set aside. So some relief was given to toll, remanding the authority to refix the rate. So this much I can explain, because you have to go through the entirety of judgment, and you can also very well advise your political leaders or your ministers or your MPs, stating that the government has got power to enhance the toll. If the collection of toll and entering into an agreement of BOT is also vested with the state government. All these things is helpful for you Best wishes again. Best.